Thank you for visiting my channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons to receive notification of future presentations. Our topic for today is voidable marriages under Articles 45, 46, and 47 of the Family Code. Article 45 provides, a marriage may be annulled for any of the following causes existing at the time of the marriage. First in the list is no parental consent. Article 45, paragraph 1 provides that the party in whose behalf it is sought to have the marriage annulled was 18 years of age or over, but below 21, and the marriage was solemnized without the consent of the parents, guardian, or person having substitute parental authority over the party in that order, unless after attaining the age of 21, such party freely cohabited with the other and both lived together as husband and wife. Who can file for annulment? First, the party whose consent was lacking, and the parent or guardian. When? By the parent or guardian before the child reaches the age of 21, and by the party within 5 years after reaching the age of 21. The second ground for annulment is insanity. Article 45, paragraph 2 provides that either party was of unsound mind unless such party, after coming to reason, freely cohabited with the other as husband and wife. Who can file for annulment? The sane spouse or a relative, guardian, or person with legal charge of the insane person. When? Any time before the death of either party. The third ground to avoid a marriage is fraud. Article 45, paragraph 3 provides that the consent of either party was obtained by fraud unless such party afterwards, with full knowledge of the facts constituting the fraud, freely cohabited with the other as husband and wife. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse, when within 5 years after discovery of the fraud. Article 46 provides, any of the following circumstances shall constitute fraud referred to in number 3 of the preceding article. There are four types of fraud, and the first one is non-disclosure of conviction of a crime involving moral turpitude. Article 46, paragraph 1 provides non-disclosure of a previous conviction by final judgment of the other party of a crime involving moral turpitude. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse. When? Within 5 years after discovery of the fraud. The second type of fraud is concealment of pregnancy by another man. Article 46, paragraph 2 provides concealment by the wife of the fact that at the time of the marriage she was pregnant by a man other than her husband. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse. When? Within 5 years after discovery of the fraud. The third type of fraud is concealment of sexually transmissible disease. Article 46, paragraph 3 provides concealment of sexually transmissible disease regardless of its nature existing at the time of marriage. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse. When? Within 5 years after discovery of the fraud. And the fourth type of fraud is concealment of drug addiction, etc. Article 46, paragraph 4 provides concealment of drug addiction, habitual alcoholism, or homosexuality or lesbianism existing at the time of marriage. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse. When? Within 5 years after discovery of the fraud. Article 46 continues. No other misrepresentation or deceit as to character, health, rank, fortune, or chastity shall constitute such fraud as will give grounds for action for the annulment of marriage. The fourth ground for the annulment of marriage is consent of party obtained by force, intimidation, or undue influence. Article 45, paragraph 4 provides that the consent of either party was obtained by force, intimidation, or undue influence unless the same having disappeared or ceased, such party thereafter freely cohabited with the other as husband and wife. Who can file for annulment? The injured party. When? Within 5 years from the cessation of force, intimidation, or undue influence. The fifth ground for the annulment of marriage is impotence. Article 45, paragraph 5 provides that either party was physically incapable of consummating the marriage with the other, and such incapacity continues and appears to be incurable. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse, when within 5 years after the marriage. And the sixth and last ground for the annulment of marriage is afflicted with sexually transmissible disease or STD. Article 45, paragraph 6 provides that either party was afflicted with a sexually transmissible disease found to be serious and appears to be incurable. Who can file for annulment? The innocent spouse. When? Within 5 years after the marriage. Here is a memory aid for easy recall. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.